products are not in the product list. So first of all, if there's no product, what you do is to go to inventory, then you click on all products, or you can just click on add product. Okay, it will take you to the product list. So we are going to add the products that are not available. So the first product that I see is cheese, beef sausage. Let's always start with caps for each word. This is finished good. We select the category, it will fall under beef, and then make sure this is active and make sure that this is also ticked as an active one. If you don't have the description for it, just type the same name for the product, then you click on next. Now here, looking at the price, is 200 for 1 kg. So I'm going to say the cost price for producing that product is 150, and then the selling price is 200 in Ghana cedis. You measure it in this unit. Maybe they are pieces in a box or kilograms or whatsoever you have there. So we can pick kilogram here, and then tracking method, you can use the lot or batch or serial. So use this one and allow the track inventory to be this way, and then you go to reorder level. What level do we require to reorder for it? Okay, this will be done at the stock, but I will just say when it gets to 10 we need to reorder. And how much do we need to reorder for it? Maybe we need to reorder thousands of them. What is the minimum stock, okay, minimum that it can take? Let's say it can the lowest it can take, you can say it can take 10, and the maximum you can make it 1,000. So that's the maximum stock it can take. Like I said, this will be done under inventory. So move to the next. The weight is 1, so you leave it in kilograms. You can put the dimensions, but leave that one. And the barcode, you can select a barcode here. Use QR code. Okay, it will auto generate it if you save it. If you already have your barcodes that have been generated for you, have the images, you just upload it. But if not, just 2 days to generate automatic barcode for it. Shelf life, you can put 30 days or any days that is it can stay in the shelf or in the cold store. Storage requirement, you can put some instructions here. Maybe it can be under 30, you can say 5 degrees Celsius, something like that. Okay, it is not a hazardous product. So you go to next, and then supplier, you use the same thing. You can just type the name of the company over there. Leave, you can put the model or you leave it there, and the parent product, just leave it, don't touch anything there. Go to review. Okay, these are the review here, and then you click to create the product. So the product has been created. Now what we're going to do is to create the second product again. So you type the name of the product, and that is the cheese chicken sausage. Also finished good. Category, since it's chicken, we put it under poultry. Active, the same name given as a description. And then next, also cost price. So looking at the price you gave me is also 200, so I can say 150, and then the selling price is 200. Then in Ghana cedis, it's measured in kilograms. You can leave it as cereal and or batch, any of them. Minimum you can put 10, maximum to reorder 1,000. So reorder level, and this is the minimum here, minimum and maximum. So I'm just repeating the same thing, but when it comes to the stock, you have to know the stock that is required. Okay, so you click on next. 1 kg, so 1. The dimension, you can leave it. So these things are not necessary. QR code or code 128, between these two you can use it, QR code and 128. so I'm using this one. This one is for barcode, so I'm going to use the QR code at the same time. Or the other ones, you can leave them or you can fill them if you have the records available. And already I've been using these ones for the brand, supplier and manufacturer. And then you click on review, then you save that product. Then we go to the last product. So add, and this is going to be the cheese lamb. Okay, right, so also finished goods, category lamb, active, type the same name for the description. Then you go to next. Then cost price, here you've given 500 grams for 100 cedis, so I'll make it 80 Ghana cedis and the selling price is 100. So in grams, so it's in grams. Order level, order quantity, minimum to take and maximum to take, and the weight 500, then you change here to grams. Same thing, you can pick any of the barcode or the QR code. So take note, code 128 is the barcode and then QR code is the QR code, as you know already. Okay, and finally we review this and then we also save it. So this is how to add products to your what do you call it, your product list. Now let's look at the inventory. So after adding product, you have to go to inventory and put the actual inventory, as in the amount of those products you have. Okay, so I go to inventory and then scroll down and you see stock list. So you click on stock list and then you click on add stock. So from here you select the product. As you click on this, you can type. The first product that we added was the cheese beef sausage, and this is it here. Beef sausage. So I'll click on it, and when you get the time, go to inventory. Warehouse. Warehouse is also under the inventory, and change the inventory names, the warehouse names. I just use some warehouse names there. You can change them to maybe sausage warehouse, something like that. I don't know how your where you store them. Anywhere you store these things, just put the actual name there. So I'm just picking some random warehouse here, and then now the quantity that you actually have. Okay, remember in the product we already indicated that the highest it can take is 1,000. So I'll put either from a number to 1,000. So I'll just assume that we have also 1,000 available. And then reserved quantity, you can leave it at 0 if you want. If there's a number to give, you can do it. Storage location, okay, just pick any of this. Later I will show you how to do the warehouse and then the storage. Then the currency is Ghana cedis. The selling price, remember, is 200. And then the average cost, just put 150. Leave the last cost, but if it is available you can put it there. So these two have a red star there. It means they are required, so you have to fill them. So then you go to next, review it, and then you save. So we've saved the stock for this one. Then we add another stock. So we pick the second product, which is cheese chicken. So as you are typing the name, so this one, warehouse, pick of the warehouse for the meantime, and then quantity we can say 890. Reorder, I leave it as 0. Storage, I pick any of the storage like I said. Move next. Ghana cedis. Selling price is 200, and average cost I use the same 150. Always make sure it is active here. Go to review and then save it. Then finally we add the last stock. So we type the product name, which is cheese lamb. As you are typing the name, it appears, and then you select it. Warehouse, pick any warehouse like I said, and then here quantity you can say 990. The order level I'm leaving it at 0. I mean the reserve quantity. Then Ghana cedis here too is 100, so I'll make this one 80. So and then you go to review and then you save. So if you do this, if there is a product already in the product list, there's no need to add the product, but because we don't have this product in the product list, that's why I'm adding them now. Okay, but if you have the product in the product list, what you do is to go to stock and check if the product is in the stock, and then you put the actual stock there. Right now I'm just putting some figures which doesn't tally with what you have, so later you can edit them. So if you want to edit a stock, you just click here and then you go to edit and then you can move next to where the quantity is here. So you just change it and then you save it. So this is how to add stock. Now we'll be going to the sales order.